Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Pallavi Agarwal,
author of.
API Fundamentals. It's a easy hands-on workbook for beginners.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's amazing. I mean, I was really ecstatic that hey, my book is at the World Fair. But the
Right.
moment I entered the World Fair, I was like, oh, it's a huge universe, and me or the book is just one drop in that ocean of learning.
So can you tell us a little bit more about your book, ma'am? Who is it for?
So it's a slightly technical book. It's called API Fundamentals, if you know. But if you see the first chapter, right, it's basically what is API in English, please, right? So what I've tried to do is try to explain this complex technology funda
Right.
in plain English. So I give an example of a person having a crush on someone, right? And what the person does is, the person is shy. Basically, they will talk to a friend, and that friend will basically communicate this to their to the crush.
Right.
So that communication itself is what API is, and so this is slightly technical, but it's targeted to beginners trying to understand what API is.
Wow. That's wonderful. So ma'am, what is one piece of advice you want to give for our community of budding writers?
I would say take action. It seems difficult, but the moment you start writing, it just flows and flows, and you are able to formulate the thoughts that you want to do. But take action is the only advice I'll give.
Just do it. That's
Just
what
do
you
it.
say.
Yes, just do it.
Congratulations on publishing your book. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for sharing this
Thank
with
you
us.
so
I
much.
hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you so
much,
much.
ma'am.